You ever do an oil change and the oil drops into a collection bucket like this and it spatters all over the place? Well, today I'm going to show you how to change all that. Go to your local hardware store and you pick up one of these fiberglass filters. And this one here I'm going to cut out to fit the inside of the oil drain bucket. And when the oil spatters down onto the material, it's going to deflect it and keep it from spraying everywhere. And I'll show you. Okay, I cut it out, put it inside the base of the bucket. Now when the oil hits it, it'll drain through. And even when you drop the oil pan nut, it'll fall on top here. First will be the oil filter. I'd already loosened it. In this tight spot, there's no way that you can get your fingers around it. So you need one of those straps. See, it's dropping into the pan. It won't spatter all over the place. The unfortunate thing is the oil filter itself will leak everywhere. There's just no easy way with this. But the better part is that it's not splatting off the pan and everywhere else under the vehicle of the driveway. So there you go, right onto the media there. That'll work out. You can leave the filter upside down. It'll be enough airspace underneath it so the filter itself will continue to drain. Okay, so now we're going to pull the drain plug. It was going the right way. It just sounded harder than it should have been. There you go. Right into the pan with the filter media, and it's not splashing anywhere, so it's a plus. That is all.